Yo, what is up everybody? Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm gonna be teaching you guys how you guys can remove card on your PayPal account. So it's pretty simple to remove card on your PayPal account. You don't have to worry about it. But before I show you guys the way, I want you guys to hit that like and subscribe to our channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. And let's dive into the video. So for those PayPal user who want to remove your card, it's basically like if you want to add another card. And what basically card is used for is card is used to put money into your PayPal account and to withdraw money which is in your PayPal account. All right, so that's basically what a card is used for. So let me show you guys how you guys can do that. First, you want to go to paypal.com, which is the official website of PayPal. All right, now you guys have to log in into your account first, but if you guys have already logged in into your account, it's going to take you to this dashboard. All right, so over here, as you guys can see, this is my card which is linked with my account. To unlink it, I can go to where it says wallet over here, because all the banks and card which is linked with your PayPal account are going to be over here. So this is my debit card which is linked with PayPal account. So to remove it, I can just click on where it says remove card. Once I click on it, it's going to say remove this card. You're removing your preferred way to pay online. Any pending payment on this card will be processed. So if I click on remove this card will be removed. So that's basically how you guys can remove a card on your PayPal account. Once I click on it, this card will be removed, which I don't want to do right now. But if you guys want to do, then you can click on remove this card and remove your card from your account. So that's basically how this works. So if you guys found our video helpful, then do hit that like and subscribe to our channel with notification on. And I will see you guys in my new video. Until then, bye bye and have a nice day.